Gisborne High School students had a chance to practice their CPR at a Health Careers Expo this week. A buzz of excitement filled the House of Breakthrough as visitors engaged with health workers discussing the variety careers in health. Trisha Tioka, a facilitator for Te Whatu Ora, said it was a great success.
No doubt you're aware that we need staffing. We've got staffing shortages in most areas, so hence the idea of having a Health Careers Expo.
A total of 18 exhibitors promoted a wide range of healthcare career options, from orderlies, midwives and flight trainers to administrators, engineers, doctors and nurses.
Hey, my name's Duncan. I'm a paramedic clinical support officer with St John in Gisborne. Today I'm down here at the Ora Health Careers Expo, showing kids what we do in the community and how to get into a pathway within St John. So we're running a bit of a CPR challenge. We're talking to the kids about what we do in the health sector for ambulance and what difference we make in the local community.
Students from 6 schools attended.
Kia ora tātou, we're from Horauta Wānanga. It was an enjoyable morning, learning about the well-being of our whānau, our upbringing. I learnt about reproduction, and I learnt about the blood flow of the heart.
I just had a look at all the nursing ones, and I tried to learn CPR, all the blood and stuff, the T lab. Mostly the T lab I was really interested in, and the CPR. It was actually a pretty cool challenge. Didn't think I'd be this interested in it, but yeah, it was pretty cool and everybody had a good day. And yeah, all the people are cool, really nice, really introduced me to different gateways of stuff.
With the positive feedback received, we are very happy with the outcome of the event, and we are already looking forward to hosting another in 2023, Trisha said.